Hi guys, glad to have you back. So today I'm going to be showing you an easy trading strategy that you can be using to trade on your sports trading on the Binance app, guys. So I know most of you have been looking for a way to be trading on your own on the Binance app. So today I'm just going to show you a little trick that you can use to be buying and selling different cryptocurrencies on Binance. So if you come to your market here, if you come to market down here, all right, let me use this USDT slash ngn to explain this process. So if you click on it, we might also check another coin before the end of this video, so let's just use this one. All right, so if you come here, I want you to come to where you have this right here, okay, and then I want you to click on indicators right here. Okay, now I want you to select EMA. So a lot of people know about this already, but if you don't, so just make sure your EMA is this way. The EMA1, the value is 7, and then the color is blue. Then the EMA2, the value is 13, the color is green. The EMA3, the value is 25, the color is yellow. EMA4, make the value 51 and make the color red this way. All right, so have it like this. Click on the confirm button right here. Okay, so after setting it like that, you can see that I'm on the 1-day trade right here. So let me just explain the process for you. So whenever you want to purchase any cryptocurrency and then you want to make profit in about 4 days or so, make sure you check this blue line, guys. Make sure that whenever you want to buy, just make sure that the blue line is just coming up a little bit. Once it just comes up maybe to this point right here, that's once it comes up above the other colors that you have right here. So if you look here, okay, this was still last year. Let me move to a current, a current period, maybe like January. Okay, you can see here, guys, you can see at this particular place, this was the last day of 2020. Okay, this is January 2nd. Okay, so you can see that the blue line moved above the other colors this way, guys. So whenever the blue line just comes above other colors, just know that that particular cryptocurrency, that's USDT for instance, is going to be rising, guys. And you can see at this particular period it was selling at around 1193 naira per USDT, and you can see currently it's selling at 1485. And you can see since that time, you can see that the blue line has been above other colors, guys, and it has been there till it came here and it dropped a little bit. It even hit 1500 naira. So imagine if you had bought at 1193 and you sold at 1500 naira. Let's check that out. So let's say at that period you had about 50,000 naira, and then you deposited in your Binance, you bought USDT at that period at 1993 naira. So at that period, if you had bought, you will be getting about 41.9 USDT. That's what you will get. So let's say you waited for some days and it's rise. You can see that at that chart it was rising and you sold it at 1500 naira. You can see that you'll be getting 62,866 naira back when you are selling this. So if you subtract your 50,000 naira that you used to purchase this, you've made about 12,866 thousand naira, guys, by just trading on your spot market, guys. So looking at that chart, if you had bought when it was at this point, when the blue line just crossed above other colors, you can see that you would have made a lot of profit. Even coming here when it dropped a little bit, but it didn't cross, and you can see that that was very profitable. And this does not only apply to the USDT slash naira, you can also check other currency pairs, guys. So let's also check this out on the 4 hours trade, guys. So if you come down to the 4 hours trade here, you can also see it here that when at this particular period right here, that when the blue line crossed a little bit above other colors, you can see that it has been going up, it has been rising. And this is the 4 hours trade, and you can see each candlestick here signifies every 4 hours in this market right here. So you can see that it has been rising since then. And if you had bought here, it was selling at, okay, at this particular time it was selling at 190 around that period too. So if you had bought here, you can see it's almost the same thing. This is the candle line, and you can see when it was about to even drop a little bit and it didn't drop, so it kept on going. So now whenever you buy like this, and then you wait for it. Once you see that you've made some profit and then you want to sell, now the period when you will sell, you're going to look at the market. Though this particular market had not really dropped, but whenever you want to sell, don't sell whenever it's still rising. Like, as far as the blue line is above other color, don't sell, guys. So now if you want to sell using this illustration, you can see that here it reached 1507, then it started dropping. So once you see that the blue line starts dropping and it drops across, once it drops across one of the colors, like this green line, like this place here, so once it drops, that's when you can sell. That's the advisable time for you to sell. So if you look at it here, you can see that you've still made some profit, because here when it was dropping, it was selling at 1409, so you will still make profit if you are sold at this period. Okay, so you can see that whenever the thing drops below any of the color, that is the best time to sell. So I know most of you already know how to use this buy and sell right here, but let me just illustrate it. Let me show you. So if you want to buy right here, you can see, if you come here to this buy section right here, I want you to change it from limit, go to the market. Let's say you've checked your chart and you can see that the blue line is crossing other colors, or it has just crossed other colors, and that's the best time to buy. And you want to buy, you come to this market, and let's say you have some naira here, you come down to 100% and buy USDT with it, or you can just buy from the P2P section, but you might buy at a higher rate. So it's better you buy here, because that's the particular market and that's your analysis. So you full it and you buy, and whenever you want to sell, you can come to this sell section, and then you can see that it's dropping a little bit. You come again, click on this 100% and you sell it, guys. Okay, so this is how you can be doing this to make some profit, or you can even use the limit. If you sell it, you can see, so you can just sell it, and once you've made your profit, you wait a little bit again, you go back to the chart, you look at it again, and remember, when you sell is when the blue line crosses other color, when it's dropping. So you wait a little bit and you wait for when it's showing a sign that okay, it wants to rise back. Like for example here, you wait again. So if it has crossed them back, if it has gone up again, then you can now buy and wait for the next time to make a lot of profit. But if you had sold that way, I think it's better looking at this. This is a stable currency, so it doesn't really fluctuate well. So if you had sold at that period, you made your profit, so it's better you wait again, so that when the price drop massively, then you can come and buy. So let's check out another coin. That's not just the only coin. Let's check out okay, around that January period I bought DOT, but I didn't use this process that I just explained right here. So I just bought it carelessly, and since then I've been waiting for my DOT to rise back to the amount I bought it, because I didn't follow the signals. Let me come back, let me show you. Okay, so I bought DOT at this period. You can see it was at 9.5 per dollar. That was one DOT, and I didn't follow the signals. I just bought carelessly, and then you can see since then the blue line has been dropping. You can see it has been dropping, it has been below, meaning the coin has been dropping. It got to a period it was even below all the colors, and it had a very massive dip. It dropped down to 6.5. so you can see. So if you are going to be using the spot market to trade, make sure you have this knowledge. Don't just dive into it and purchase any coin. And you can see here, when it rises above the other colors, you can see it actually went high. The price of DOT went high, and at this period, if you had bought at this period, I think it was around 8.2, it was around 7.9, so maybe you'd have made about 0.5 cents there, because it didn't stay long. So if you want to be doing this and you don't want to be doing it with coins like DOT that might be rising and falling, so go for stable coins, and make sure whenever you want to buy, so that you make profit, make sure you're not buying it when it's below like this, or when it has not gone up. So make sure you buy it when you see that the coin, you can see here, this was few days ago when DOT started rising back. So you can see that the blue line actually went a bit high, and it has been going up and it has been going up. So whenever you see it drops below one of the colors, the green for example, especially the green, just make sure you sell your DOT back and wait for it again to want to rise this period. So if you are doing this, you can be making profit on the spot market, guys. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys get the logic here. This is just to help you to know when to buy and when to sell, okay? But if you don't really understand it, you can always reach out to me. You're going to see our Telegram group in the description section below, and you also see my Telegram username there, so you feel free to reach out to me, guys. And if you really find this video helpful and if you enjoyed it, please don't leave without liking the video and subscribing to this channel if you haven't. So please like this video and subscribe to this channel, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next update. Have a nice day. Bye.